Right, John. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration tonight of the super skill that I've learned over the years, and there is actually a world record for this. If you look in the Guinness Book of World Records, or you can Google it there. This guy Zhu Lang, he holds a world record for memorising a shuffle deck of cards in 13.96 seconds. I've been doing this for a long time now, and I can't get anywhere near Zhu's time. And the reason is, I am not just memorising the identity of each individual card. There's other things that I memorise as well, and I can't escape this. And I have tried to just concentrate on what Zhu does, because I believe that I could beat him. But I'm going to show you now what I mean, because there's something else that I do which takes, I do this in about 24 seconds. So I'm not going to do any fancy shuffles, John. It wouldn't be fair. You might think I'm cheating, so I'm just going to mix these up right in front of your face. And you wouldn't get a magician doing this, because I'm actually showing you the cards being mixed up, and I obviously can't see them. So does this seem fair?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we just give them a mix up. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the cards one at a time. I'm going to commit them to memory.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I've got that. Probably a bit longer than only about 20 seconds, something like that. Okay, John, so I'm just going to ask you to cut a small portion of cards off the top. I don't know, anywhere between 5 and 15, and just tell me what card you've cut to.
Okay. 8 of hearts.
The 8 of hearts. Okay, I'll write 8H down. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, and pop them back on, and then if you just if you cut a bit deeper, John, about halfway down.
Okay.
Yeah, what card have you cut to?
3 of hearts.
The 3 of hearts. Okay. Okay, so that's the second one. Alright, so the first card you cut to was the
6 of hearts.
was the 8 of hearts.
8 of hearts.
Yeah. Okay, so spread there to the 8 of hearts, so take them ones away. So if you just count them, $14, and we'll add them up. So 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 7 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 6 is 26, plus 1 is 27, plus 5 is 32, plus 9 is 41, plus 2 is 43, plus 12 is 55, plus 3 is 58, plus 12 is 70, plus 8 is 78. Okay, so 14 and 78. And this is the extra information that I gather. They are the 8 hearts and 14 cards and 78.
Wow.
Okay, so if we just pop these back on there. And then the second card you cut to was the 3 of hearts. So if we cut to there, now you know that up to the 8 of hearts was 78. So if we just get to there, which is there. Okay, so we'll pop them up. So we know there's 14 cards there, and they add up to 78. And here, so if we do 14, 15, 16,
17, 28.
28 cards, and 78 plus 6 is 84, plus 5 is 89, plus 9 is 98, plus 13 is 111, plus 2 is 113, plus 11 is 124, plus 3 is 127, plus 8 is 135, plus 6 is 141, plus 10 is 151, plus 5 is 156, plus 13 is 169, plus 2 is 171, and plus 3 is 174. So 28 and 174. Okay.
I don't know how you do that. That's not possible.
So you can see why I can't get down to 13 seconds because of all the extra information that store. There's also another way of doing this, John, as well. Another super skill that I've developed. I can actually weigh the cards in my hand. I know that each card weighs 1.7 grams. That's what these scales are for here. But what I'm going to ask you to do is, if you just cut a portion of cards off there onto my hands, okay, and just bang them scales on, John, that button on the far side. Okay, I'm getting here approximately 50 grams. It's going to be pretty accurate, but the cards are well used, and I think if I'm right, 50 grams, so 50 shared by 1.7, the weight of each card, gives us 29 cards. So we'll just pop these on here and make sure I'm right. So 50 grams, 49.71, so it's just a fraction out. And if the maths is right, there should be 29 cards. So $29, which will be 29th card is the 8 of diamonds.
It is.
So yeah.
Oh, that's proper weird rainman.
Yeah, so I'm probably never going to beat Ju's time, but he will never beat mine if he does this. So, yeah. So thank you very much, John.
Well done.
Yeah. Okay.